The migration of birds. The Coriolis effect describes the pattern of deflection taken by objects not firmly connected to the ground as they travel long distances around Earth. But Earth is not a round. North and south. Birds travel north and south. The Coriolis effect describes the pattern of deflection taken by objects not firmly connected to the ground. Nothing travels through the atmosphere. North and south are not up and down. They are across a large scale. Specifically, Earth doesn't rotate faster at the equator. It pauses at the poles. The migration of Earth. The migration of birds. Travel north and south, not up and down or around. The Coriolis effect.